Hey everybody, we're doing more RSI analysis this time around, and we've started doing this on 2022 because all of the trades for the 1 hour, 2 hour, and 4 hour time frames have been analyzed for 2023, and it is a pretty reliable measure to only buy within 70 to 30 on RSI. So I did all of this. There's a lot here on a strategy, and we're going to figure out whether only buying within 70 to 30 on RSI is the optimal strategy. If it's below 50 but above 30, it's going to be denoted as a 0. Above 50 for a long. Below 70, that's going to be denoted as 100, and in overbought or oversold regions, that's going to be denoted as 200. Alright, so let's see what we got here. You need both of these conditions, so we're going to highlight which trades got that. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that's only 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. So this is V chain. 11, 14, 0 is what we're looking for. Hopefully this is the right chart. From now on, I'm going to start denoting which charts I'm using while I'm doing these back testings. Yeah, 14, 0. Oh, this is we need the 2 hour charts. There we go. So 14.0. Oh, this is 24. We need 22. Yeah, we're going way back. Yep. Yep, there it is. So that is above 50, so that'd be a 0. This would be 100, and for a short below the yellow line, that would be 200. So this is in the range, which is nice. Let's make a new column. RSI question mark 0. Let's just make this column not colored. 417.1. So this is going to prove to be worthwhile if it's generally filtering out trades that didn't work more than otherwise. 417.1. That didn't work. I almost think there should be something we denote for when the RSI divergence line changes colors like that. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. It happens so infrequently is the thing. It's like I don't even know how I would statistically analyze it. 825.5. Whoops. 825.5. Right there. That's in the overbought, and that was a loss. So it filters out that one. This isn't going to work 100%, and you really have to add up the numbers at the end to tell anything meaningful. But it's kind of fun to see it in real time, I guess. 10, 30, 22. There's that. Looks like that was a break even. That would be 0. Oh wait, no. That must be barely 1.5. 5.9, so this would be 9 or close to it. That would really be more like, see, let's make sure the math is correct. 885. So I think the protocol on this is to go to the 0.7 mark. So let me see, 1.5 times 0.75, that's 112.50. Yeah, so it's not quite, wasn't quite right there. But that did count, so that's good. Alright, that's all for V-chain on the 2 hour. Let's do Atom. Come on. Probably use this one. 2 hour. Alright, let's highlight the winning trades, or the trades that were taken. Wow, some good ones on here. I wonder why I didn't use a consistent color scheme at this point. Oh well. RSI, question mark. 1, 2, what was this? 123. This must have been 213, and I just was dyslexic. 213.18. No. 2118 rather. Maybe not. I don't know, it's a break-even trade, so it doesn't really matter. Alright, 653. Right here. Alright, is that in the range? 653. Yeah, but just barely. So let's make sure this is correct. 109. Yep, okay. That would be a keeper. 616.11. 616.11. Oh, this isn't the right chart. 616.11. Yeah. Let's try this. That isn't either. Tried that one. Tried that one. Let's look for Cosmos. Huh. Well, I don't know which one I was looking at, but that is in the strike zone in all of them. 853. That is disqualified. So we took a good one away. Alright, let's go for XLM. Let's highlight the good ones. One more here. Make sure we don't miss any. Nope. Let me check the filament real quick. Alright, 117.14. Oh yeah, we're looking for XLM. I think that's stellar lumens. Just go for stellar. Probably this one. Bring that over. 117.14. Oh yeah, an overbought. That's a 0. If it's a 0 out, it must be just barely. 88. This might be the wrong chart, but it's debatable. 320.18. Yep. Yeah, this is the wrong chart. $320.18. Okay, that is also the wrong chart. We don't have a volume discrepancy there. This is the right one. Okay. So this is in the strike zone. 0. Let's go look at that last one since we found the right chart. Just to double check. Oh yeah, that's much closer. Alright. Alright. 412. That's in the overbought, so that is disqualified. Yup. Alright, so 422.7. Shits is recording. Yup. Nice potato camera. That is in the overbought. 422.7. 116. It's kind of debatable whether that would have worked. Anyway, doesn't matter. It's disqualified. 433. And this is in the buy zone. So this does count. It's a small loss, really small loss. Yep, 0.009%. 515.3. $515.3. Huh. Okay, maybe this is the wrong chart. Well, anyway, it's overbought. That one is disqualified. So 6.317. 6.317. That is in the strike zone. So that's good. We got one more. 11.46. Huh. This is the trickiest chart I've kind of ever had. 11.4.6. Why wouldn't this work out? 116. Oh yeah. It's close, but no cigar. Anyway, it's disqualified. Alright. That's XLM. That took a minute, but now we got Litecoin. Just go with classic. Alright. That's a trade. That is not a trade. That's a trade. That's a trade. 1, 2, 3. I think that's it. Yep. Alright. RSI. 521.17. Go to 21.17. That would be in the strike zone. Yeah. Alright, so 769. 769. 769. Oh yeah. Yep. 769. That is below the 50 mark. So that would be 0. That does count. 730.21. 730.21. Ooh, close. Oscillator even going the right way on this. 730.21. It is an oscillator switch. I don't really need this, but oscillator switch. So 730. That does count. But I'm noting which ones the oscillator switched the color on. You can kind of see it switches colors because it's sort of an indication of weakness. So it's really close to the line, but that does count. So no changes there. It's worth noting this strategy was already pretty good. The idea here is it's probably just going to make it better. Near protocol. One there, one there, one there, one there, and one there. Why did I write here? I probably just now overwrote it when I was trying to type this in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, new column. So 110.6. It wasn't this one then. One, 10, 6. got to be this one. That is in the strike zone. Wait a second. This would not be a loss. The stop loss is placed below this candle, and it did not touch that. But this didn't have a 1 to 1.5, so this can't be the correct chart. It's got to be this one. Yeah, this would be the one. So it just barely edged it out. It's actually pretty hard to say whether that's what would happen in real life, but that does count. 422.1. Sometimes you get scare wicks. 422.1, that is in the overbots, so that doesn't count. Yep, that would be a stop out. 643. That is in the overbought. That did make some profit. Oh, let's see here, 8, 9, 17. 8, 9, 17. That is in the kill zone. Yep. And 12, 3, 8. Must be there. That's 100. 100. So it only disqualified one, which was a small gain. Well, it disqualified this break even, but it's not making a huge difference, but we'll see. We'll see what it actually adds up in the end here. Okay, mana. Decentraland. Alright. So this one, this one, this one, this one, that one, that one, that one, and that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep. New column. So, why does this say near? I must not have changed it. Alright, so 210.4. This is not the right one. This is, and that's in the strike zone. So good. 380. Yep, that's the one. That is in the strike zone as well. Why did I say 4-2? So 158. 69. I don't know why that would be that way, but alright, so 6, 4, 3. there. That is overbought. 7317. Right there. Okay, this isn't the right one either then. This one must be. That's in the strike zone. Yep. Yep. That works. Alright, 730.23. 730.23. There's that. That would be in the strike zone. Small loss. 813.7. That is disqualified. And it is a loss. That's nice. 9511. That is in the zone. Alright, so this disqualified a full loss, which is nice. Kept almost everything else the same, so that's good. Alright, so that was mana. XRP is next. There we go. Well, I don't have an oscillator direction on this one, so there's nothing to do there. I also don't have an oscillator direction on this one. I think that's something I added later. Huh. Well, that's unfortunate. I'm trying to think what my value, what my setup even was for this. Some of this is pretty old. This is over, it's about a year ago. Alright, well I guess that's all the twos. We might as well do the meta on the ones that that did work, or that I do have data for, rather. So this is 2 hour. Let's do these. Let's make them a color. Alright, so this is where we'll put the zeros, the 100s, and the 200s to analyze them. So yeah. It's going to be all the ones that were modified today. Alright. Scroll this up here. So 0, that's 150. 1.5 rather. That's a 1.5, and so is the 200. And we couldn't figure out what that one was. So let's see if the pattern holds. So 100, that's a 150 right there. I guess we didn't actually look at the chart for this one, or we didn't see the right chart for this one, but I'm just going to assume whatever I wrote down made sense. That's a 100, that's a 150 on the 0. Small loss on the 0. 200 is the -1. and a gain on the 100. Yep. Alright. So this is 0, where there's a loss. So that sucks. I'm gonna figure out, or this is a 200, but it's just a break even. This is a 200 with a small win. It's a 0 with a full win. It's a lot of zeros. And this one was a 100 with a full win. The 100 seems to generally do the best, but the 0 does well enough to be worth it. Yep, didn't miss anything here. Yep, we got that. Not a ton of data without those other charts, but it's something. 100, another strike. 7-6, that's a 0. This is a 0 loss. Alright, it's 200 that's a break even, 200 that's a loss, 200 that's a win, a 0 that's a tiny loss. Oh, did we get the 0.59? Yeah. Yep, we got that. We already got that one. 0, 150. And 200, that's a break even. Yep, alright, one more. So that's a 0, that's a win. It's a 100, that's a loss, the first loss for the 100. 200, that's a loss. Not a good average there. And this is a 0 that is a partial win. So once again, we have the result that the 100s, this column, are the best, with an average trade of 1.08. The 0s coming in second. You can see the results here. Wait a second. Why does it say 14? Oh, because it's... I need to redraw these. Yeah. You gotta make this not include the new stuff. Yep. Alright, so this was the 4-hour results. Every single one of these 100 trades was a win. Still pretty good results for this. You gotta understand, like, anything that's near 0.5 is pretty good over a long time, and there's more data here, so that kind of tells you. And we only got 0.19 on the 200s, so it is the worst. This is slightly better with the 200s, but still these results are so much better. So this RSI thing so far is working. It would have been nice to have those other charts, but this is a victory. This is really, really good. So let's close this, and that will be all for today. Thanks.